Hello, beautiful people. This is Maricia Anglais, the wellness speaker, on giving you the tea on everything healthy. Today's tea is on how to make your own toothpaste by using simple ingredients that every person should have in their home. It should be in your household pantry. No one should be living in their home without it. And so this recipe for making your own toothpaste is very simple. You'll need bentonite clay, and you can check my website on what that looks like, as well as if you like to purchase your own bentonite clay, as well as activated charcoal. That's also on my website. And you'll need peppermint oil, which I can't find, peppermint oil, as well as thyme oil. Mainly the peppermint is used for maybe giving that fresh feeling in your mouth, that clean, fresh feeling that you get after brushing your teeth. So you find a lot of toothpaste have peppermint. But the reason I'm using thyme is that there are 5 benefits to using thyme. And it's usually played down. You don't hear about thyme a lot, but it's one of those oils, essential oils, that you should have in your pantry. It helps, one, with fighting bacteria. It helps with balancing hormones. It also helps as well as for dental issues and fighting back cavities and preventing them. So that is the reason I'm having it in our ingredient. It's good for a combination with lemongrass and water or vinegar and additional vinegar to making a bug spray. It's also good for your skin, mixing it with other ingredients. But here's the kicker. The ingredient that I'm making for your toothpaste, you can also use as a mask. Okay, you get that? You can also use as a mask. And so I can speak for myself. I don't know how sensitive your skin is, but I use it as a mask and my face feels just wonderful and refreshed. And so I play dual purposes. So here is the ingredient. I have a combination already made. What I have here is 1 tablespoon of charcoal and 1 teaspoon of bentonite clay. Again, you can go to eattolosebootcamp.com and click on shop on the main page, and it'll take you there to find your bentonite clay as well as activated charcoal. And so this is what I have mixed together. Now, you add water accordingly till you get that nice texture as similar to toothpaste. But before we do that, I'm going to add just a couple of drops at a time. It can be strong. So you can start off with 1 if you like, and then maybe the next batch you make, you can increase it to 2. And I wouldn't go more than 3. But it smells so good. I bought it from my brother-in-law. I got the wrong oil. That's why it smells so good. I bought it from my brother-in-law. So you might know someone that sells essential oils. I don't sell them, but I do recommend getting them. And so this is thyme, and thyme is strong. So I'm just going to add to this mixture just 2 drops. I just dropped that. 1, 2, just 2 drops. And I would add 2 drops of peppermint if I had peppermint. And I'm going to add water. So I'm starting with a little mixture instead of just pouring it, so that I get the texture I want and I don't overdo it. So that was 3. And I'm going to put another spoon of water in there. And then I'm going to mix that. So this mixture can be messy. Okay, so I'm going to need some more. You can see the powder. Okay, I'm going to need some more. Now, not to stick the spoon back in, I should have had 2. I'm going to add just a little bit more at a time. So it won't be so watery. It gets the nice texture that I want, similar to toothpaste. And I want it to be moist so it don't dry up easily. And so I'm going to add some more. Okay, not too much. And then we're going to mix that up again. You can see the gray right there. So go in there. And this is so simple. You can do this yourself. And mind you, this can get messy. So you definitely want to be careful. Maybe lay some napkins or a sheet that is old that you don't use, because gray clay can be messy. Now you realize that I didn't use any other oils. I did not use coconut oil. I think I did a batch before with coconut oil, and I just, for some reason, I just didn't like it when I wanted to spit in the sink. I don't know if that's too much information. And then it just left that greasy kind of stain. With the essential oil, I'm just adding a couple of drops so it doesn't really, maybe I added too much oil, maybe that was the reason. But anyway, I find this mixture, even without the coconut oil that most people add, was perfect. I didn't use baking soda because I don't want to have baking soda in my mouth. I just don't. I don't really use baking soda even for cooking. And I don't have any sodium in my mixture by using the bentonite clay. So I think I got the texture that I want. I'm just going to add just a little bit more water, just a little bit, because I don't want it to dry out. So if I was to guess, I'll say no more than 10 spoons of this, 10 spoons of water. Okay, so here's the mixture that I made. Not the most attractive, and I know it looks black, but it won't leave your teeth looking black. And when you rinse your mouth, and if you still see maybe some black stains from the charcoal, maybe between your teeth, maybe all you gotta do is brush your teeth again. I mean, with water. You don't have to reapply. You can smell it. You can smell the thyme in there. It'd be so much better if you had the peppermint oil in there. So now I got my toothbrush, and here's the mixture right here. That's it. This is all you need to brush your teeth. All you need, okay? And so, put that right here, lay that here. So, that's all you need to kill bacteria in your mouth. The peppermint oil will give it that nice, tingling, fresh feeling, as well as balancing your hormones for women and men, and fighting bacteria from the thyme, and as well as charcoal. Charcoal makes your teeth white. Activated charcoal helps make your teeth white. It also helps take out any toxins that are in the mouth. So does bentonite clay that has nice minerals in there. So you're getting the minerals from the bentonite clay. You're getting the toxins removed from the charcoal, and you're getting the benefits of the thyme and the peppermint in your mouth. So try that for a while and see what your dentists say. So this is the tea on how to make your own toothpaste naturally and have things in your household that you need for other health issues if needed. So this is Marisa Anglade. As always, be healthy and stay healthy.